security arrangement for the last hafta ani gumadi shura bane. So everything from hobadagi tum construction dagi security shi pira mathang build up toraga full-fledged security hoji comprehensive oina shame mani shigi inside ki mapan gi to dalo and precautionary measure loraga shame mani I go shida security ki sabotage to ningai to da dobagi precautionary measure lawi important way which they ki traffic management shi am important way rakha so traffic issue as much as possible koina public the inconvenience pi ningai hotna raga as much as possible ekoi ya ningai hotna raga dobani so we have tried our best public convenience ekoi ki stake issue shi is a privilege is an honor shumaina international level shida shumaina host han bashe so to keep in tune with the level of the international level okay we have tried our best and aina tum thajai shi the security will is a well prepared plan and hopefully things will work out fine perfect thank you so much.
Absolutely fantastic. I've been, supporting the Miss India title as a mentor for the past 7 or 8 years. And every time I see, all these beautiful girls who come from the Northeast, I always wonder, the place is beautiful, the people are beautiful. When will we ever get a chance to go there? And this time I feel like, there's a part of me that actually put it out in the universe to have the opportunity to actually come this far and come in with so much grandeur that it feels fantastic because I think the blend is amazing and I look forward to spending time here. I have spent time in the past in the Northeast and I really hope that one of the girls from the Northeast also takes away a bit of the crown or the entire crown. I'm really rooting for, lots of them. I beg to differ because I started off as one and there were parts of my friends and family who didn't think that it was a real job and I'm living off it for the past 22 years. So I must have done something right. Because I've done this so many times in the past, you could have different criteria, there's also like different mandates and international contests that you fill out. But more importantly, you also think that, okay, fine, you need to have a check on how they walk, there's presence, there's beauty, there's brains, there's 12, which of course is a lot to do with the pre-judging score, which we've done, then to bring them down to 6, then to finally, the difference between the girl who takes it home and the one who just about misses the crown is probably like, a 0.1 or something. It's never that anyone's had a bad night when it comes to Miss India because they're all state representatives, but it's just that one girl has had a better night than the rest of them.
It's a very proud moment for our Manipur also because entire Northeast Ihan Hana Manipur the scene bane because mamang the Mumbai and Delhi I guess adu the Amani Rishigre for the first time in Northeast it's happening in Manipur and I feel very happy and I would like to thank Times of India, Manipur Tourism of course and Femina Miss India organizer for bringing the grand event here in Manipur. They can feel that they can achieve this much in their life and also example nama koi government ne set tawre hujiti so I think this is really their dream come true and also a gateway for them for their dream.
Feel like so our state is developing, isn't it? Everything in all around. So that is why we got the opportunity to host this, Femina Miss India 2023.
It's a lovely feeling that this Femina India contest is here in Imphal. I'm sure this should be a blessing for our state, and may the best participant win, and then bring laurels to our country as well. And then all the best to the contestants. Thank you so much. Thank you. Honorable Chief Minister for the first time in the history of the Manipur. Nasi organized on the policy of the Miss Femina Yagi. Finally, with the Toanba section Canada, with the Toanba Magi command, Magi perception, the high with the book. I could give them the filling a sea capability, the filling a sea bauta, Torokwan Lambagi, ability, other filling a sea, Lady by Quiggy, Harry sea participants in the Manipur Yawa, Indian Northern State Yawa. For the first time in the Indian Northern State, I see a queen harm with the cinema of Sima Equigi, Labor Honorable Minister Chili and Bidancing, Lijin Makada, a number to when I see G20 Lacomatunda, we need to show our strength. I couldn't come out on the promoter when I couldn't export to Winnie. I don't see the Aquay, Nasiki, Ladiba, World of Pudimaka, Biziva Pudimaka, Aquay Magani, Madam the Manipur Haiba, Jagase, I could be fighting for the law and order situation. Akwai Pavadina Markanda, Miss Femina, Silepa, near Havasimi, Miami realized already, at the Lulun, I quit the tourism with the Kodama, Impact Kama Havati, Yam the Pava promotional with the Kodama Avenue, Pangani to Bakaki, export, Ulunabagi, Choba Tanjama, so in the Pangani Havasha, Imiamda, Azim Pangani. Thank you very much.
Masi yamna ekoi history oiba dugumba event amana haijeningi masina ekoi Manipur se nahawai mamang duaramba ekoi Manipur si yamna ekoi hingsa leiba aduga mina kinarambado madugi koto pura mangre shanti hanjale haibiga soba khudam amani adu ngasi sumba event se bai pak sinu ona kamani
It is great pleasure to be here amongst the participants of this event and other dignitaries from outside Manipur. I wish the present ceremony has grand success. Thank you so much.
Event kamai together event the live participants here. Participant looking with charging high tarico. Masi live moigi Nang Torapa, Satorapa, moigi activities by high tarico. Nang Torapa was on Tona Pazapazana, Damazana Angre high tari. Atuna Lupi Masamana, Sibhaugi activities lay.
Koigidi achoba turning point ama khangne hainingi maramdi sigumba ahad boina haitare na to to koigi India gi yam sokhotpa state singa oina khoi tongne adugo khoi Manipur da ahad boina sumaya to bose khoi Manipur se mayam da khoi showcase to bu phange adi si to geba matung dadi khoi another round amu to event mayam ama se to go ya bagi chance amu su sunju phange.
Good evening everyone. It's been a lovely last couple of days over here, seeing all the contestants across the whole country in our beautiful home state of Manipur. It's a pleasure for all of us, and let us all welcome them. Yam nungaijaba haigadra koigi sigumba historic oiba event amane koigi se akoi Manipur gi sigumba tourism da su yam chauna promote toba oigadoba loina na koi Manipur se mapan lamda takpa ma aduna ngasi koi myam changdana si yengminaraga. Let us wish the contestant all the best, and let us hope that the whole event goes on well. Thank you so much.
Koi Manipur da sigumba yamna thoidok hendokna ekoi gi tongan ba multi talented mayam sing nupi sing gi adugumba ekoi gi Femina Miss contest ki Manipur da sigumba yamna thoidok hendokna tangna thoglakpa sida pukling da yamna nungai ba harau ba ama phawi loinana sigumba multi talent mayam amakak ekoi ngasi Manipur da ihan hanbo oina north east da sigumba ekoi competition na se lakpa sida ekoi Manipur da ngasi di tungan ba ki hiram khuding da chawkhalakpagi mangjil thapa tourism site da tungan ba sector da develop tawrakpagi adugumba yamna nungai ba aduma proud toiba momentum oi.
Norris की हिस्ट्री दा और फेमिना मिस इंडिया की मागी पुआरी दा मापान दा थोगा तोबा कांदा ऐकोई मणिपुर गुम्बा यामना पिक्चर बस स्टेट सिदा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की ग्रुप ना मसीदा पुबिरक ना मसीगी सुमा सोवा फंक्शन तमा प्रोग्राम अमा सिंबीबा सिगी दमकताई Times of India group wa ahan ba thagale adu loina na state mayam punamak dagi lakpiri ba isa sing contestant mayam beauty queen mayam okre loina na ngasi su live mayam crowd sin khange Manipur ki praja mayam bakoi program yam sige hai bise na you see Manipur ki hajarba culture akoi ki tribe kuntra bari manga ki leiba magi different traditions culture dress Janabi, Jinjak, Sigi Mayamju over there. I am told they are very much satisfied and happy. Thank you.